CurdyFix is a single-component sealing and bonding compound with a silane-modified polymer base. It is odorless, free of solvents, and emits zero VOCs. CurdyFix can be used to seal pipe and valve protrusions through the Curdy waterproofing membrane and Curdy board. It's also used to bond the Curdy membrane to the stainless steel Curdy drain bonding flange and building elements such as bathtubs and window frames. Curdy board can be installed with CurdyFix when assembling countertops, partitions, and other building elements. CurdyFix is available in both gray and white, and two different sizes, a tube or a cartridge. Opening CurdyFix is simple. The cartridge tip can be cut simply using a utility knife. The tube is easily unscrewed and comes with a tool to assist with easy application. CurdyFix is very tacky, and despite our best efforts, at some point, we all find it somewhere that it's not supposed to be. It can be removed quickly and easily before it sets. One simple way to remove fresh CurdyFix is mineral spirits. Make sure to follow all manufacturers' safety instructions and provide proper ventilation. Another option, believe it or not, is baby wipes. Keep them handy when applying CurdyFix, and as soon as the material hits unwanted areas, including your skin, use the wipes to remove. It's as simple as that and doesn't require extraordinary safety measures. Remember, always remove CurdyFix while it's still fresh. Once it sets up, it can only be removed by scraping or grinding. If you have any CurdyFix left over when you're done applying it, there's a built-in cap to help keep it preserved. Hope these little tips help next time you're using CurdyFix. If you still have questions, contact our customer support specialists. For more information on Schluter products, visit schluter.com or check out our YouTube channel to view our videos.